A little later in life, low testosterone levels are a fact of life, right? Well, not necessarily. Many guys reach a certain age and assume that the best years are behind them, that there's nothing that can be done to recapture that former glory, but that's not always the case. In fact, there are many men who find ways to boost their testosterone levels and reignite their passions later in life. So if you've been wondering whether you too can increase your testosterone levels, then keep watching, because in this video I'm going to tell you all about it. But before we get started, I just want to quickly ask you for a favor. If you're enjoying the videos that I'm putting out and learning something new, please click the like button. It will really help us out. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when I post new content. And now let's get to it. Let's start with the basics. What is testosterone? Testosterone is a hormone that plays a significant role in the development and maintenance of male characteristics such as muscle mass, bone density, and body hair. However, it's important to note that testosterone isn't solely responsible for libido or sexual desire. While low T can impact libido, it's not the sole determinant of sexual drive. Libido is influenced by a complex interplay of psychological, emotional, hormonal, and social factors. As men age, testosterone levels typically decline gradually. This decline is often associated with a variety of symptoms, including fatigue, decreased muscle mass and strength, reduced libido, and changes in mood. However, it's important to note that everyone experiences aging differently, and not everyone will display these symptoms. In fact, some people continue to enjoy a high quality of life as they grow older. That said, research suggests that maintaining healthy testosterone levels can have several benefits for men over 60, including improved energy levels, increased muscle mass and strength, better cognitive function, and improved mood. And now we come to the million-dollar question: can testosterone levels be raised after a certain age? The answer is yes, but it requires a multifaceted approach. Here are 5 tips to consider. First, adopt a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for overall well-being, and it can make a significant difference in testosterone levels. This means eating a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, getting enough sleep, and managing stress effectively. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can optimize your body's natural testosterone production. When it comes to diet, focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide the necessary nutrients to support testosterone production and overall health. It's also important to limit the intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, which can negatively impact hormone levels. Regular physical activity is also essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Exercise helps stimulate the production of testosterone and improves its bioavailability. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, along with strength training exercises that target all major muscle groups. Sleep plays a vital role in hormone regulation, including testosterone. Getting enough restful sleep can help maintain optimal hormone levels. Most adults require 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a conducive sleep environment can help improve sleep quality. Stress management is another crucial aspect of maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Chronic stress can disrupt hormone balance. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature to help manage stress effectively. Second, focus on nutrition. Certain nutrients play a vital role in testosterone production and overall men's health. Incorporating these nutrients into your diet can help support healthy testosterone levels. For example, zinc is an essential trace mineral that's involved in testosterone synthesis. It's found in foods like oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds. Magnesium is another important mineral that supports testosterone levels and muscle function. Good sources of magnesium include spinach, almonds, and avocado. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish, are also essential for hormone production and regulation. Third, consider supplements. While a balanced diet should provide most of the necessary nutrients, some individuals may benefit from taking supplements to boost testosterone levels. For example, supplements containing DHEA, fenugreek, or ashwagandha have shown promise in improving testosterone levels. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements, as they can interact with medications or have other side effects. Fourth, medical interventions. In some cases, medical interventions may be considered to increase testosterone levels. For example, testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, involves supplementing testosterone to bring levels back within the normal range. TRT is typically used when low T symptoms significantly impact quality of life and other treatments are ineffective. However, TRT is a complex and controversial treatment plan that should be approached with caution and only under the guidance of a qualified healthcare professional. There are also medications such as clomiphene citrate and tamoxifen citrate, which can stimulate testosterone production by acting on the pituitary gland and Leydig cells in the testicles. Finally, there's number 5, alternative therapies. Some alternative therapies have shown potential in supporting testosterone levels. For example, acupuncture has been traditionally used to balance hormone levels and improve sexual function. While more research is needed, some studies have shown positive results when acupuncture was applied to specific acupoints related to the reproductive system. It's important to note that raising testosterone levels isn't just about improving sexual function. It's also about enhancing overall health and well-being. Increased testosterone can lead to greater muscle mass, improved bone density, and increased energy levels, which can positively impact various aspects of a man's life. However, it's equally important to be aware of the potential risks associated with increasing testosterone levels. Elevated testosterone levels can disrupt the delicate hormonal balance in the body, leading to adverse effects. Therefore, it's crucial to work closely with a healthcare professional who can monitor hormone levels, assess potential risks, and guide treatment decisions accordingly. Raising testosterone levels in men over 60 is achievable, but it requires a holistic approach that encompasses lifestyle modifications, nutritional adjustments, and potentially medical interventions. By adopting a comprehensive strategy, men can not only boost their testosterone levels, but also improve their overall health and quality of life. As we wrap up this video, I want you to remember that age is just a number. It's never too late to take control of your health and pursue a better quality of life. So if you've been struggling with low testosterone levels or other age-related health concerns, know that there is hope. By implementing the tips and advice shared in this video, you can embark on a journey towards better health and vitality. I hope you found this information helpful and empowering. If you're ready to take the next step towards improving your testosterone levels and overall health, I encourage you to consult with a qualified healthcare professional. They can provide personalized guidance and support as you navigate the path to a better, more vibrant you. Thank you for joining me on this video. If you found value in the information shared, please show your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue delivering valuable content. And if you'd like further personalized guidance on this topic, feel free to reach out. Wishing you the best on your journey to better health and vitality. Until next time, stay strong, stay positive, and embrace the power within you.